Hello there ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video for the property I'm bringing you today, which is this wonderful 2-bed top floor apartment in the development in Spencer's Wood. Just giving you an idea. Now I am outside today, I am starting this off inside rather than from outside, and just showing you there. So I have run up the 2 flights of stairs for you. So what we'll do, I'll show you the outside in a bit, but without further ado, let's head on in. So with this apartment here, it is a lovely, good sized 2-bedroom property. A lovely welcoming hallway as you go in, and then immediately on your left hand side is one of the 2 bedrooms. Really good sized double bedroom here with lovely, well, it's a Juliet balcony, but floor to ceiling window as well. So currently being used as a home office, but would easily fit a double bed. Coming down, we've got storage cupboard just here, which is where your electrics are found. Good place for all the wires, things like that, for the internet. And then we've got the bathroom. So this one here, all white units, lovely tiling, and then you've got the shower over the bath. White units for the sink and the toilet, and then good sized mirror as well. To the side we've got your another storage cupboard, really good and deep, and it is a lovely space. Heated tower rail there as well. A bit further down the hallway we then have the main bedroom, and this here again, lovely and bright, nice big windows, and you can see there large wardrobe already put in the bedroom, but there is still loads of space on either side of the bed. Very comfortable space indeed. As this isn't live and interactive, feel free to ask questions. What I'll do is I'll do my best to answer those. You can also request your own private viewing or inspection, and we would be happy to get these booked in. So right down the end of the hallway is this open plan living room kitchen. Just standing in the corner to give you guys an idea of the space in here. It is a fully built-in fridge freezer, just all there. We have, it's a gas hob, electric oven. There is a slimline dishwasher, just there. And then there should be your boiler in here. So the boiler installed in 2017 when these were first built, and this has been looked after well. And then more storage throughout. And I think you'll agree this will make a fantastic first property for those looking to step out onto the market, or as a rental property for those landlords. You do get parking, which is one space down where that van was, and it is a lovely, it's well maintained, well looked after space. You've got parking out the front there as well for your visitors. There isn't a restriction on it. Juliet balcony there as well to let lots of light in and to bring the outdoors in. Now, being that you're on the top floor, the other thing that you have is, although never officially yours, you have access to an attic. So the attic space you can use for storage. It won't show up on your title plans because officially you don't own it, but as with most people up on the top floors, they do tend to store bits and pieces in there. So your Christmas trees, suitcases, those sorts of things. And you have got access there. I believe it has a ladder as well. And the access was put in really for workmen, but it is there for you. So that's inside the property. What we'll do, let's head on downstairs and I will show you the surrounding area. And as I said, feel free to ask me questions. I will do my best to answer them as I go around. Just putting my shoes on. All right, and let's head on down. So this development was built 2017. It has 2 floors in this one here. Here's your front door. And around here, so lovely and quiet, and as I said, you're this top floor up there. So it's a great development in Fallbrook, around the Fallbrook area. It's absolutely gorgeous, lovely and quiet, and it will make, as I said, it will make a fantastic first home or investment. So if there are no other questions, I want to thank you so much for joining me as I walk you around, and I really look forward to speaking to you soon. Any questions, do feel free to get in touch, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.